Hey, Becca from Tresnak Roofing. Your install is almost here. Before we show up, I want to do a quick check-in with you because there's one question I always like to ask homeowners a day or two out. Has anything changed at your home since we did our original inspection that we should know about? I know that sounds like a broad question, so let me give you some examples of the kinds of things that actually matter to us. Concrete work is a big one. We actually recommend not scheduling any concrete pours, driveway, walkways, anything like that before your roof install. The heavy delivery truck and equipment can affect fresh concrete. If you've already got something scheduled and can't move it, just let us know so we can plan around it. Other things that are helpful to know: if your road is under construction and access to your street is limited, if there's a fence installation or landscaping project happening in your yard, or if anything about your driveway or the perimeter of your home has changed since our visit. And if anything has changed on the roof itself, a new area of concern, something that's shifted or damaged since we were there, please flag that too. The more we know walking in, the better we can take care of you. Just send us a quick text or give us a call. It doesn't have to be a big thing. If you're not sure whether it matters, just mention it anyway. We would always rather know. We are so close and we want install day to be seamless for you. See you very soon.